Computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. These components include the central processing unit, CPU, memory, storage devices, input-output devices, and the motherboard, among others. The CPU is often referred to as the brain of the computer. It is responsible for processing instructions and performing calculations. The speed and power of the CPU are measured in gigahertz, (GHz), and determine how quickly the computer can perform tasks. Memory, or RAM, random access memory, is the temporary storage space that the CPU uses to perform its tasks. The more RAM a computer has, the more quickly it can perform tasks. However, RAM is a volatile form of memory, meaning that it loses its contents when the computer is turned off. Storage devices are used to store data on a more permanent basis. There are two main types of storage devices: hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. HDDs are more traditional and use spinning disks to read and write data, while SSDs use flash memory and are much faster. Input-output devices include the keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer. These devices allow the user to interact with the computer and see the results of their actions. The keyboard and mouse are used to input information, while the monitor displays the output. Printers are used to create physical copies of digital information. Finally, the motherboard is the backbone of the computer system. It connects all the components together and allows them to communicate with each other. It also contains the BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, which is responsible for booting up the computer and loading the operating system. In summary, computer hardware is the physical components that make up a computer system. These components include the CPU, memory, storage devices, input-output devices, and the motherboard. Understanding the different hardware components is essential for anyone looking to build, repair, or upgrade a computer system. Questions. What is computer hardware? What is the function of the CPU in a computer? How is the speed and power of the CPU measured? What is RAM and what is its function in a computer? Is RAM a volatile or non-volatile form of memory? What are the two main types of storage devices? How do hard disk drives, HDDs, store data? How do solid-state drives, SSDs, store data? What is the difference between HDDs and SSDs? What are input-output devices and what is their function? What are some examples of input-output devices? What is the motherboard and what is its function in a computer system? What is BIOS and what is its function in a computer system? Why is understanding computer hardware important? Can a computer system function without a CPU? Is it possible to upgrade the CPU in a computer system? Can a computer system function without RAM? What happens to the contents of RAM when the computer is turned off? What is the purpose of a printer in a computer system? Can input-output devices be connected to a computer wirelessly?